Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're going to make a very great recipe on the Tbsp Navigator 850. We will make some Osso Buco, this Italian recipe, but I will use the recipe from one of the greatest chef in barbecue. His name is Adam Perry Lang. If you have the opportunity to buy one of these books, please do it because it's incredible. And if you have the opportunity to go to one of his restaurants in Los Angeles, please do it as well. This chef is tremendous. Okay, so the recipe is very easy. The first thing that we need to do is to marinate the meat in a Ziploc bag. And for the marinade, all the ingredients are here in the description. You just have to mix all the ingredients of the marinade and put the meat in a Ziploc bag, and that's it. 24 hours in the fridge. Okay, so let's do it. So now I remove all the air from the bag before to seal the bag. All right, and we need to spread the marinade everywhere on the meat. So the next step now is to prepare the braise. So for that, in a cast iron pan, we will cook 3 onions, thinly sliced, 10 garlic cloves, sliced as well. We will need some white wine, dry white wine. The Sauvignon is perfect. We will need 1 cup, and some salt and pepper, of course, and some flour. All right. And of course, we need at least 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter to cook the onions. So let's go. I set the temperature of the Navigator at the maximum to cook the onions. So I need to keep the onions translucent, but I don't want them to brown. So I will close the searing plate so I can keep a medium heat. Now I will let cook for 3 more minutes like that, and then I will add the wine. And now I open the sear plate because I need a lot of heat. And I will let it cook for maybe 5 minutes, the time for the wine to reduce. So now I add 4 cups of chicken broth. Now we will bring that to a boil and let cook for maybe 5 minutes. Next step, we will move the pan on the side. Okay, and now we can grill the meat, and you can let the herbs and the marinade on the meat. We don't want to totally cook the meat, we just want to color them, to put them in the braising base for the Osso Buco. Alright, now we will place the meat in the Osso Buco base. So we will let the meat braise in the Osso Buco for maybe 2 or 3 hours with the lid open. So it will take the smoke taste. So now I'll lower the temperature of the barbecue to 120 Celsius degrees, and I will smoke, this is a big surprise, 3 bone marrows. So there is just one thing that we need to do just before to eat, before to serve, is the lemon dressing that will go on top of the meat. And this lemon dressing, for this lemon dressing, I need a half cup of olive oil, a very good olive oil if possible, some lemon zest, some lemon juice, and flat parsley. Okay, so between 1/4 and a half cup of olive oil, and then the flat parsley, about 1/4 of a cup. So I hope you appreciate this video about the Osso Buco on the Tbsp Navigator 850. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see other video on Tbsp and Louisiana Grilled Barbecue. Thank you, bye bye.